This is an emergency video about a food item, and I have to bring this to you because you may be in imminent danger right now and not even notice. I live on the side of a mountain. There isn't a lot here, but we have a Marco's Pizza. It's usually has been fairly edible. I've been here like 2 years. This has been fairly edible. I haven't been feeling great today. It was easy. Wasn't going to cook tonight. Marco's Pizza. There you go. This is the YouTube doesn't let you swear for the first 30 seconds. I don't know why. It's a thing. I don't know what the deal is. But anyways, that may be the worst pizza on the planet. Yes, I've never swear on this channel. I don't, but this is so... I don't usually swear in real life. That's the worst pizza on the planet. That is... I've had Little Caesars and Pizza Hut. It's bad. Here, you gotta see this. This is my favorite part. I'm gonna put this in the little camera here. See that? See this thing here? I'm pretty sure that was a baby hammerhead embryo that was embalmed and then sliced thin and put on there. It tastes like it. What? I mean, again, folks, if there's children in the room, send them out now because pizza is so gross. This used to be edible. This is sausage. Anyways, my dogs won't eat it. And Rufus, the wonder dog, you've seen the husky, he's a pizza dog. He loves pizza, and he won't eat it. Actually, I think he probably would. But if I gave him to this, he'd never eat pizza again, and I don't want to take that from him. He's such a young dog at just 12. You know, we don't want to scar him for life. This is going in the trash. I've thrown away 3 pizzas in my life. 3. This will be number 4. In my life, that's for the people at DiGiorno. I have a new suggestion for your campaign. It's not disgusting. It's DiGiorno because that's better. 1,000 times better than this. The crust isn't bad. The sauce, it's okay. The cheese almost tastes like cheese. If you close your eyes and didn't know any better, you'd think that was actual cheese. It's the rest of the toppings. I don't know what they did. Something happened. Marcos, turn back now before it's too late. You can't serve this. You will. New segment on this channel. What the hell were they thinking? I'm doing it. I'm going to go around. I'm going to go into the city and get some stuff and bring it back. And we're going to do... What the hell were they thinking? Have you seen what they did to the Big Mac? Oh my God. It's horrible. So stick around and I will do much more of these because the world, you can do better. That's it. All right, I'm done. I'm out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.